Hey there guys, just out for a quick blast today. Planning on heading up over to Lake Lyndon.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
Right folks, managed to escape the wind there briefly, so let's make a wee cup of tea. Got a cracking view here, so let's get the kettle on. Can't beat these wee Nescafe pouch things.
It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. 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 Summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of
Got the highway cops up my ass.
on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. You were my ride.
And here comes the hardest part of the ride. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Nah, I'm not going to be able to do it. I just can't pass through Sheffield without stopping for a bite. My god, that pasty was good. Glad I didn't get a cake, I didn't need one. That thing was massive.
You were my ride or die. You were my ride or die. Don't forget your first love. We were young and wild. We were up all night.
Hey folks, just back in Methven, almost home now. That was a good wee trip. if it wasn't windy, it'd have been an awesome trip. Had a nice wee coffee spot up on Lyndon Road, and a nice wee pasty at Sheffield. Can't beat it, eh? So anyway, hope you liked this wee video, and thanks for watching. I will catch you all next time, guys. See you later.